Yeah, welcome everyone. In every situation, we have to be thankful. You can see where I started this video. Let me do it again. And please check the background sound and tell me what you're hearing. Yeah. Maybe another song is going to come, starting with Wake up this morning, I see the glory of Most High. The birds are singing, and the wind is blowing lightly today. Now, you can hear what that song said. Yeah, we have a situation here. Woke up this morning, wanted to take a little bit of relaxation, but the wind was so hard in the last couple of days, and it blew off the garden house out. So you might think, what is Ifai doing? Why is he always confusing us? He was smiling and telling about the birds singing and the blue sky and the colorful sky. And now he's showing us a devastated garden house. Yes, this is what happened. He blew it off. You see that? And then took it, luckily for us, not far, to this place. You see that? So now, and the second one is here. The second one is here. See where I threw the second one too? Yeah. So the song says, wake up this morning, I saw the glory of Most High. The birds are singing, telling us that there's no bad things about nature. So that's the garden house. It has been blown off. You see that? You know, this one is gonna go here. This one is gonna go here, okay? See, okay? I think this one is gonna go there because that's the direction where it came from. So, but they are the same elements. So, the garden house is always warm. So that's it. In every condition, we have to thank nature. We have to thank God. And you call it whatever you want to call it, it's still the same thing. If you say you're thanking nature, you actually say you're thanking God. If you said you're thanking God, you're thanking God. Almighty Jah, Allah, you're thanking God. So this is it. I just wanted to show you guys this. The garden house has been partly damaged, but it's repairable. So I'm gonna be climbing here. I'm gonna be climbing up here so that I will be able to do. You see that? That's the devastation. Okay. So I will repair it, and that will be uh, the Spin Nigeria video for today. There are things to be done, but the winter is still there, even when the snow is not there. You see all those trees that went this way. I have to get them cut out. If I think they have to succeed. We have to get them back, straightened up, cut some. That's gonna be the next assignment in this beautiful garden. Okay, so wake up this morning, saw the glory of the Most High. And the birds are singing. So I have to put that song together for you guys because we have to wake up every day and glorify the Most High, okay? Yeah. So I have to get to work now. That's the elements, okay? I have to get to work now. And I tell you guys, stay positive and be sustainable in your life, you know. Get a garden somewhere and try to feed yourself to some extent. I usually say You can feed yourself with the plants. It was even written there for us. All plants we have to, you know. So now you can see the situation of the greenhouse. Yeah, the tomatoes we just left because I was thinking they could start growing again, but no. I think it has to be changed in about 2 months and then we start up again. So this is going to be the reparation. What has to be repaired, this is what has to be repaired. And then I call it a day here. So I wish you all a pleasant day and a pleasant night, pleasant morning, wherever you're calling from. This is going to be the one for Spin Nigeria, O for Okolo video. Thank you for watching. So I know that I'm singing on it, but you know, wherever I am, I'm singing. You know, wake up this morning, saw the glory of the Most High. The birds are singing, and the wind is not blowing too hard. That's it. So, bye for now. Okay, peace to the world, and be the best you can to be the best you can in the society, in the community. You know, and that's the way you can solidarize in the community, bringing positivity. So that's it. I'm in the garden today, you know, trying to fix the greenhouse. From the greenhouse, bye for now. Peace to the world.